Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on counting on. While many students are able to count from the number 1 in the normal manner, it is essential for students to be able to count on from any given number. This is a useful skill which can save time when doing simple addition problems. Consider the following number line. Focus on the red circle on the number 3. You can see the red circle there. Now, count on an extra 5 numbers past the number 3. How did you go? In other words, what number did you land on? Let's look at some answers. Counting on 5 numbers past the number 3 can be done in 2 different ways. Here is the first way. Put your finger on 3 and do the following. Shift your finger to 4 and count 1. 1. Shift your finger to 5 and count 2. 2. Shift your finger to 6 and count 3. 3. Shift your finger to 7 and count 4. 4. Shift your finger to 8 and count 5. 5. What number did you land on? 8 is the answer. So you went 5 places and you landed on 8. So let's have a look at the next way. So I have reproduced the number line below for ease of reference. So I've just repeated it so we can have a look at it. We don't have to go back to the other slide. Here's the second way. Think of the number 3 in your head. Then count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is still 8 because that is the last number. So what we're asking you to do here is, when you think of the number 3, start counting in the normal manner. Now, here's a very, very good little way to help you do this. Because we're counting on 5 numbers, we can put our fingers up, and that helps us to keep track. Your hand can help you keep track that you have counted on only 5 times. So you go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You've only gone 5 places, and you know the answer is 8. Practical applications, that just means just some examples that you might be given in real life, some simple sums which rely on counting on. What number is 4 more than 2? So here is the number 2, and we want the number 4 more. The solution. Count on 4 more numbers after 2. Now you can use your fingers again here, but this time you only have to use 4 of them. So at the end you want to see 4 fingers up. So think of 2 and go 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. Bill had 2 marbles, but Mary had 7 more. How many does Mary have? So again, think of the number 2 because that's how many marbles Bill has. And count on 7 places to the right. Keeping track to make sure you only count 7. So you go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. So Mary has 9 marbles. Now we can apply this to simple board games. For the above board game, there is a square red marker which is 8 spaces ahead of the blue marker. Where is the square red marker? So here's the blue marker. So look, let's just count 8 spaces past this blue marker here, and I'm sure we can find out where the square red marker is. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's a square red marker right there. Quite straightforward, wasn't it? Next example, find the numbered square which is 12 spaces ahead of the yellow triangular marker. So here's the yellow triangular marker. We have to go 12 places past it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so there it is there. So the square is 21. Now another clever way you could do it if you wanted to, because you know you're going 12 places, you can just put 12 marks on a sheet of paper just to help you to make sure you don't overcount. How many have we got so far? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is like the fingers, but there are more fingers. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you haven't got enough fingers, so we'll just put 12 markers there. Now we think of the number 9 and we count on. So let's see if this works. Here we go. Think of the number 9 in your head. Let's go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. See that? We've gone 12 places to the right and we landed on 21. So this video has given you some idea about counting on, about the number of ways you can do it, and we've also seen how you can do it for some simple board games.